Yes, sir. It's coming.
Okay, right. Later we started with the first sutra. What is that sutra? First sutra.
Sir, ekadi purvena.
Yeah. Ekadikena purvena.
Ekadikena purvena.
Eka adhika purva. Eka means one. Adhika means more
More.
than the previous one. Than the one before one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One, if it is one more than that one is two. Two more, one more than that two is three. Three, one more than that three is four. Likewise. Okay. Ekadikena purvena. And we have done some exercise, and later we have explained this Ekadikena Purvena with one circle, 10-point circle. Remember that one?
Yes, sir. 10 points.
Yes, sir.
10
What are
points.
the special? What are the specialities?
Sir, the ending digit of every single row is the same, and if we add vertically everything, the sum will be
The
10.
sum will be same only.
Yes, opposite sum is 10,
10,
and in every branch,
In every branch, the ending number will be
end
same.
digit is same. Wait. Okay. Yes. Later we have done some exercise using that next. What is that one? Purana Puranabhyam. Right?
Yes, sir. One before by one.
No, sir. By
No.
completion
Purana
of
Puranabhyam.
Completion or not?
By the completion or non-completion. By the completion or non-completion.
yes, sir.
In the middle we have seen one more sutra, that is.
Sir, that is
Remember that one?
Yavaduna.
Navaguna.
Yavaduna
Yavaduna.
means
By the deficiency.
by the deficiency. Yes, correct. By the deficiency. Suppose if it is 19 and 5, 19 plus 5. 19 is nearer to which number?
So 19 is close to 20 and is
Close to
5
20
And is
and less than
deficient by?
and is 5 below.
No. 19 is deficient by?
Oh, 1.
1.
One.
We'll take 1 from
4.
5. 5.
Sir,
1 from 5. So
To make it
24.
20.
24,
And later
sir.
this is 5. 20 and 5 will be 25.
25, sir, is the answer.
I hope all of you remembered all these points. Huh? Okay. This is our
Yes.
last exercise, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed this. Already I have uploaded this one also in PDF, Google Classroom PDF.
Yes, sir.
Completed or shall we do it now?
Sir, completed.
It's a separate.
Okay, we'll do one thing.
Sir, you didn't give this.
Wait.
Sir, you
We'll do one thing.
screen or it's like the
There is a separate classroom for Vedic math actually. That's the link that sir sent in the chat box.
You are talking some other thing which is not relevant to our discussion. Okay. Wait. Now you cannot speak. Right. Let us do all these questions. Before doing these questions, wait. In chat box. No issue, no problem. Give your name in the chat box. Give your name in the chat box, like A, some person name, B, some person name. First come, first served to explain these questions. Write your name and question number in the chat box. Write your name and question number in the chat box. A, Raghav. Pranav, B. Okay. C, Shruti. B, Pranav. C, Shruti. No need to send repeatedly. Sorry, Shrusti, not Shruti, Shrusti. D, Ritvik. Okay, Nikhil, no problem. Wait. E Kunal. E Kunal already over Ritvik. Ritvik already D, na? Ashwad Reddy, F. Next. What is that name? Yathartha. Yathartha. Okay. Yathartha already E over. H Ahana. Only G is remaining. Anybody with G? G. Okay. Shrusti. No. New person. Fast. G. There are 25 participants. Jaideep. Shubhran have already given. Okay, very good, Jaideep. Right. Let's go to the explanation. Raghav, unmute yourself and explain question number A.
Yes, sir.
First question.
Sir, so 37 plus 47 and 37 is closer to 40. So
Okay.
how much closer to 40? 37 is 3 closer to 40. So that 3 will take it from 47. So 47 minus 3 is nothing but 44. So 40 plus 44 is equal to 84. So
Yes,
our
total is
answer
40
will be 84.
and 44, 84. Very good. You may explain in different ways, no problem, no issue. Whatever we have covered, we can you can use everything.
Yes, sir. Can
We
I
can
tell you another method also?
other methods. Some other friends will give. Okay, no problem. Here you can do it in this way also. 30. This is 30 and 40. Later 7 and 7. 30 and 40 is 70. 7 and 7, 14. 70 and 14 is also 84. You may complete 37 or you may complete 47 or you can take direct to tens place and units place also.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
we'll go to B. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 55 means it's closer to 60 and we need
Instead of taking 55 near to 60, we can take 28 near to 30. Okay, closer
Okay,
number
sir.
should be if the what
Okay,
are the
sir.
numbers closer to 30?
Okay, sir. I will
29,
do.
28, 27, up to 27 will take it. 26 also somewhat rare. Okay,
Okay, sir.
these three are better.
Okay, so now 28 is closer to 30, so we have to take 2 from 55, which is 53, and 28 will become 30. And
Okay.
while adding the both means
How much?
sir,
Okay, we will add in this way
83, sir. 83,
50.
sir.
First, 50 and 30.
Sir, 50
50
and 30.
80.
80, sir.
Later we
80
can
and
add
3,
P also.
83, sir. Okay,
83.
sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Then Shrusti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
proceed.
the total answer is 72. I'll say the explanation. So 50 minus 47, which is 3, sir. So sir, can I?
Okay. Right.
Sir, so we'll cut 3 from minus 25. We'll cut 3, sir, from 3,
Okay,
which is
then
22.
becomes 22. Okay.
Yes, sir. And that will become 50.
Hmm.
So 50 plus 22 is 72.
Very good. And D, Ritvik.
Sir, can I?
Yes, sir. D, which is 29 plus 36. So the 29 is closer to 30. So we have to take 1 from 36
Yeah,
as
and we can use this language also. 29 is nearer to 30 and it is deficient by 1. Deficient by 1.
by 1. And also 36 minus 1 is 35. So 29 plus 1 is 30. So 30 plus 35 is 65. The answer will be 65.
65. Very good. Next, Kunal, ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready. Yes, sir. Can I say? Sir, in 56 we need more phone numbers, sir. So I will take from 25, it will become 60, and I will take phone number, so the 25 will become 21, sir. And 60 plus 21 is 81.
Okay, right. You removed 4 and give it to 56.
Yes,
So
Yes,
60
sir.
and 21, 81. Right. Then Ashwad. F. Ashwad.
Sir, I'm not noting this because we are telling.
Sir, 38 plus 26.
38 plus 26.
38 is too. 38 is too close to 40, sir. So we need to remove. We need to remove 2 from 26 and add it to 38 to become 40.
Okay, to make it 40.
Then 40 plus 26 minus 2 equal to 40 plus 24. 40 plus 24 equal to 64, sir.
Very good. Correct. Then G.
Sir, 29 is it closer to
Jaydeep.
30 and is 1 deficient. So
Yes,
we
yes.
can take that 1 from 44. So 29 will become as 30 and 44 will become as 43. When we add them, it will become as 73.
Very good. Correct. Then H. Ahana.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I use 30 plus 5 and 40 plus 9?
Yeah, you can use any method. No problem.
Yes, sir. So 30 plus 40 becomes 70 and 5 plus 9 is 14.
5 plus 9 is 14. Okay. Then,
So 70 plus 14 is equal to 84.
yeah, this makes 70 and these two make 14. 70 and 14 will be
84.
80?
84.
84. Very good. And let us do similar exercise. But before that, we'll complete the whole.
Sir, can you do more practice questions, sir?
Yeah, I'll give more practice questions, homework questions.
Okay.
Okay. Daily after the class, immediate after class, I'll upload the video. I'll give the classwork with the classwork PDF along with the annotation, and I'll give the homework also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, in Google Classroom.
sir, practice E is not there in the Google Classroom, sir.
Cyrus in different time zone. Okay.
Sir, practice E is not there in Google Classroom.
He is not there in Google Classroom.
Yes,
Aha.
sir.
This is classwork E. This is not homework E.
Okay, sir.
Here one time wait for one answer. A, B, C, D, E.
Sir, here also we have to give you the name, sir, to tell the answer.
Yes, you are going to give the names in the chat box only. Yes, now you can give the names. Question number and your name. Ahana, which question? Okay, I'll start from B. Raghav. C. Shrusti. B. Kunal, already B is over. Kunal, B. Pranav, B already over. Because it is a common message. It is visible to everyone. See that question already taken or not. Show Pranav 2 already over. B. Aditi already over. B. Cyrus over. Why all are taking only B? You can take any question. All are given only for B. C. Ashwad Reddy. Okay. C already over na. D. Ritvika. Ahana, D is also over. D. Aditi already over. E. Kunal. F Ashwad. D Ritvik already given. No need to repeat again. Show Pranav F. F is already over. Ashwad. E already over. Ahana. Okay. H Pranav. H Pranav. And G Cyrus. Okay, right. Here, let me tell you some conditions. Here, the conditions are: you have to make, you have to give three numbers whose sum is 10. You have to give three numbers whose sum is 10, and you should not use any other operator other than plus. And here, you should not use 0. One of the number you cannot use 0. And one more condition is you can use the same number any times. Okay, you can use the same one digit number any times. So these are the conditions. Following these conditions, you have to give your answers. Okay, already all the names are given. No need to write in anything in the chat box. We have much practice. We have many exercises. No problem. Whoever not get the chance in this one, you can get the chance in the next exercise. Okay. Already A is given. See, 1, 2, and 7 makes 10. Likewise, you have to give all the other. We'll start from Raghav. B. Raghav, unmute yourself and answer this.
Yes, sir. 5 plus 3 plus 2.
5, 3, and 2. Very good. Correct. And one more condition here. There are some conditions are given now. One is you should not use any other operator other than plus. Second condition is you need to fill up only 3 numbers. And third condition is you should not use 0. 0 use cheyakudu. And fourth condition is you can use the same digit, same number any times repeatedly. And one more condition is you should not give the same condition, same combination. Suppose 5, 3, 2 is given by already Raghav. Other person should not give the same combination like 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. Okay. These are the conditions, 5 conditions. Then Srushti, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell your combination.
6 plus 2 plus 2.
Very good. 6, 2 makes 8, then 2 is 10. Correct. Ritvik.
4 plus 4 plus 2.
Very good. 4 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Kunal.
Sir, sir, I have two combinations. First one is 8 plus 1 plus 1, and second one is...
No. Only one combination is enough. Because if you say another one, another may get may lose that combination. 8,
Okay.
1, 1 is sufficient. That's all. 8,
Okay.
1, 1. Very good. Then Ashwat.
Sir,
Yeah.
4 plus 2 plus 2.
Yes, very good. 4 plus 2 plus 2. No. How much it will be? 4, 2 and 2.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, 4 plus. No, sir, not 4. I think so.
okay.
I think so. 7 plus 1. No.
If you want time, I'll give time. No problem.
Sir, can you
You
give
can take 4 plus.
Yeah.
4
Well,
plus
no.
2 plus 2.
No other person should not speak. Okay. No other person. Don't speak any other person. Then we'll go with
Sir, can I tell
Cyrus.
you now?
G.
I got it, sir. 4 plus 3 plus 3.
Yes, very good. 4, 3, and 3. 3 and 3
Sir, I
makes
got
6
the
and
natural
4.
set. Sir,
So
I
it's
got
not
the
possible,
natural
sir. 6
That's
plus
why that's why other person should not speak. Only one person. Cyrus, ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
7 plus 1 plus 2.
7, 1, and 2. Very good.
Sir, it's
Sir, it's
already
already
completed
there.
in
What
the
was
A1.
Already it
ma'am.
is completed. A. Sir,
Yes, sir. A.
Other persons keep in mute condition. Other person should not speak. I'll clarify his doubt. Okay. Pranav, proceed once again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
6, 3, and 1, sir.
6, 3, and 1 already over. No, not over. Very good. Correct. Yeah. You may get some more combinations. You try them later. Okay. After the class, you can try them. You may get some more combinations. But while trying, suppose if you start with 1, 1, 1, and 8. No, sir, it is already taken in this one. So try different unique number combinations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's go for another exercise. Yeah, same, completing the whole only. Here also we are going to complete that one. Before that, I'll better first complete tens. Okay, first complete tens. Later you proceed with the remaining digits. First complete tens. Later proceed with the remaining digits. Suppose I am solving A, C. 2 and 8 makes
10.
10, and the remaining.
Sir, I took already, sir, that bit.
13.
Okay, no problem. You can take another question. 2 and 8 makes 10 and 3. So total will be 13.
Sir, I took B.
Sir, we gave the names, sir. Once check.
Yes, sir, B.
You are much concentrating on giving the names instead of listening what I am telling. $25, $25, $20. Be Ritvik from there. Okay. How many questions we have? Okay. Don't give repeatedly because it is confusing. B Ritvik. C Yadhartha. K Pranav. He concentrated on longer letter. B Ritvik already over. Ahana D, you got now. H Raghav. D Kunal. D already Ahana. F Jaydeep. C Nikhil. C already over. Yadharth taken. H Raghav. Okay. G Srishti. B Ritvik, H Raghav. Again and again you are sending the message. Show Pranav. I or L? L, I think. E Drona. Very good. K is over. Cyrus. No. C Nikhil. H Raghav. Satvika. K already over. E already taken. H already over. E Ahana. Why are you not giving the remaining letters? I Jait. I think I Jait. F already over. And only letter remaining is J. J Nikhil. Okay. Yeah, stop writing in the chat box. Stop writing. And why are you giving repeatedly? I'm writing in the order only. Okay, computer will give it in the order only. Right, we'll start with B, Ritvik. Ritvik, start.
Yes, sir.
First complete 10, so later remaining.
Yes, sir. First, to complete 10, we should add 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. And
Okay.
10 plus 8 is equals to 18.
Very good.
So the answer
And
is equals to 18, sir.
Very good. Yatharth.
Sir, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So we get 16, sir.
Okay, right. Hannah.
Sir, 5 plus 5 is 10 and 4 plus 7 is 11. So 10 plus 11 is 21.
Very good, correct. And Drona.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19, sir.
Yes, correct. Not only here, you try to apply these techniques whenever you're facing this type of questions. Okay,
Sir.
Jaydeep, sorry.
Yes, sir. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 and 7 plus 2 is equals to 9, which is equals to 19.
Very good. Then Shrishti.
Sir, 8 plus 2 is 10 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So 10 plus 11 is 21.
10 plus 11 is 21, correct. Raghav.
Yes, sir. 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 10, 20.
Better question, right?
Yes, sir.
7 and 3 and 6 and 4 matching, both are matching combinations only. Then Jayesha. What is the name?
Sir, Jayit.
Jayit, you have given for I or L?
Sir, I, sir.
Okay, right. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 7 plus 4 is 11.
Oh, no.
So 11 plus
Try
6 is nothing but 17.
Try to complete 10 first. Try to get 10s first.
Sir, so you should go with 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7.
Oh, see these three?
Sir, we need to take.
Other person should not speak. Only Jayit.
Sir, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is
Yes.
And sir, Sai Karthikeya is talking, sir.
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Sure, so 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. So
10. And the remaining?
So, sir, so plus 7 is equal to 17.
Yes, correct. In any way you can do, no problem. But when you are solving this type of questions, try to solve in this way. When you are solving in another way, we'll try to solve in that way also. If we covered all the models in the last of this subject, you can do the question whatever method you want, whatever method you feel comfortable. Okay. Next, Nikhil.
Yes, sir. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10, sir. Like
Yes,
6 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 10
Right.
plus 9 is equal to 19, sir.
Thank you.
10 plus 9 is equal to 19.
19. Here we don't need to explain the 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10 because 6 plus 2 plus 2 10. Below 10 or up to 10 it is no okay. No need to explain clearly. But after 10, okay, if you explain or you may not explain for further classes. In further classes you may not explain. 19, correct. Pranav. Shiv Pranav, right?
No, sir.
Uh,
No. Pranav Raghavendra, sir.
K.
Pranav, sir. Pranav
Pranav.
Raghavendra.
This is different person, right?
Yes, sir. That is Shiva Pranav and this is
Shiva
Pranav,
Pranav
sir.
and this is Pranav.
Pranav Raghavendra. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. I'm telling, sir. First, I'm adding 2 plus 1, which is 3, and then 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and then 10 plus 5 is 15, sir.
Yeah, combining these three makes it 10.
Yes, sir.
Another 5. 15. Now Shiv Pranav.
So 3 plus 4 plus 3
Hmm.
is equals to 10. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15.
15. Now, if you observe if you compare this exercise with the previous exercise, is there anything common factor? Common thing?
Yes, sir. 10 is common in these all.
And this
Yeah.
common in all.
In the previous exercise, we have we
We are
searched
adding
for
the
the
3 numbers and then we are getting the answer as 10, sir.
yeah, in the
And
previous
here
exercise
also they
we
are
searched for
giving
3
3
numbers.
numbers and 4 numbers, and but the common we are doing which is 10, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
correct.
means in this, first we should find 10, after that we should do other number.
Yes, better. That is the better approach, and it may save some time. Kunal, why that much? Huh? Next exercise between Kunal, right?
Sir, today why meeting is not going to
Then I asked, that's when only I'm.
Sir, I think that today meeting will not end, sir. It will continue.
Sir,
Yes.
yesterday also it didn't end in math class.
Sir has made it unlimited. That's it.
Okay. Sir, ARB,
Sir, I am A, sir.
Sir, ARB.
Okay, right. So without
ARB,
seeing
sir.
the questions also, you are giving that one.
Yes,
So,
sir.
ARB. Sir, ARB. Sir, from that time, sir, thinking, sir. ARB.
Okay, all of you give
Sir,
the
we are
give
giving
the
the
names
names,
first.
sir. You
Names.
see,
Give the
sir.
names.
First,
No, sir. First only I gave.
Sir, first I gave, sir.
Who is first and who is next? It will show in the chat box. There are 25 students, but 24 students, but only 15 will get chance because O means 15. Don't give repeatedly. Don't need to write repeatedly. Yeah, starting from C. Srishti. D. Shiv Pranav. A. Ritvik. E. Pranav. D already over, A over, D over. Don't write repeatedly. F. Nikhil. A. Kunal. O. Cyrus. F. Nikhil already over. Jayit, which question? M. Jaydeep. A. Raghav already over. A. Ritvika. Don't send me privately. You can send it everyone. J Aditi. M Yadharth. M already over. F Nikhil. I Satvika. C Shrishti. A Ritvik. M Yadharth. Ahana. I already over. Ahana. A Kunal. A Ritvik. I Jagriti. I already over. F Nikhil. Harsha, which question? Jagriti, I already over. O already over. F. Sri Vallabha, I already over. L Harsha. L Harsha. N Raghav. Jaydeep. B Kunal. J is already over. K Yadharth. Yadharth already given somewhere. Not given. Okay. L already over. N already over. Only H remaining. H and G. G Jait. Ashwath. Okay. Actually, there are only 24 participants, but now I got nearly 100 above messages in the chat box. Why? Why
Sir,
are you writing
Sir, you want to
repeatedly?
answer?
Why are you writing repeatedly? Just once is enough. And one more thing, you.
Sir, B over.
Sir, B is Kunal, sir. Yes, sir.
Here also the conditions are same, similar conditions only. Try to make the we can say what we can say.
Round off.
Yeah. See one side.
Sir, to 10 or multiples of 10.
Yes. One time see here. What we call these numbers? 10, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. In Vedic maths, we can call these numbers as base numbers. Okay. Okay, 10 means 10 only. 10 power 1 is 10 again, and 10 power 2,
10 into 10, sir.
100,
100.
1000, 10 cube is 1000, 10 power 4 is 10,000. These numbers are the
10,000.
base numbers. These numbers are the base
Yes,
numbers.
sir. Yesterday
Direct
only,
multiples of
we
these
learned
numbers.
it in math.
Multiples of these numbers are sub base, like 20, 30, 40, 200, 300. These numbers are sub base. Okay, they are base numbers and these are sub base numbers. Better you round these numbers first to base numbers or sub base numbers, later the remaining numbers.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
10 multiples
Sir,
is
can
better.
I tell?
We'll start from A. Start from A, and the remaining persons should not speak anything. Ritvik.
Sir, the A question is 29 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5. So we can add first the round off number, which is equals to 29 plus 1, which is equals to 30.
Which is 30.
So 30 plus 5 is equals to 35. Then
Okay.
you can add as 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So you can add 30 plus 12.
Yeah, that is
equals
better.
to-
Right. This is 30. Don't disturb this number, and this is 12.
5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So you can add 30 plus 12, which is equals to 42.
Correct. Very good. Then proceed to Kunal.
Yes, sir. So 16 plus 6 is 22, sir, and 22 plus 3 is 25, and 25 plus.
Oh no, you are doing in a regular conventional method only.
Yes, sir.
See
We're
these
doing
two.
in a regular. Means
See these two.
we should round off
plus
as
17 is.
I'm not saying you should not do that one. You can do that one also. But as we are learning in this process now, try to do in this way only.
Sir,
These
I
two.
tried to do like that only, sir. I thought 16 plus 6 is easy, so I did like that, sir. But I
Okay.
did in conventional method only. So 16 plus 6 is 22, sir. And 22 plus 3 is 23, and 25.
Again, you are telling the same way. 17 and 3 will make 20. Na? It's a multiple
Yes, sir.
of 10. Na? 20
Yes.
and it is 22.
Yes, sir. Like that. Answer is 42, sir. 42.
All right. Srishti.
Sir, 12
Yeah.
plus 8 is 20, 51 plus 3 is 54. When we add 54 plus 20, it's 74.
Correct. Very good. 72, right?
74,
Sorry,
sir.
74. Okay. Next. Shiv Pranav, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So 37 plus 13 is equals to 50.
Correct.
And 21 plus 7 is equals to 78.
28.
Yes, sir. Equals to
Yes,
78.
50, 28.
Plus 78.
78, right. Then Pranav.
Yes,
Another
sir.
Pranav.
Yes, sir.
And
And
Raghavan.
first I'm taking 17 and 13, sir, which makes 30, sir. And
Okay.
16 and 24, which makes 40, sir. And so 30 and 40, which makes me the answer as 70.
70. Very good. Then F.
Yes, sir. 12 plus 8 is 20, sir.
Okay.
12 plus 8 is 20, and 26 plus 34 is 26 plus 34 is 60, sir.
60, right?
60 plus 20 is equal to 80, sir.
Very good. Here I'm not able to write. Okay, right. Then Jayid.
Yes, sir. Sir, the 25 plus 15 is nothing but 30, and 33 plus 22 is nothing but 55. So if we add them, we'll get as 85.
Sorry, is it 30?
Yes, sir, 30.
Check once.
No, sir, sorry, it's 40, 40.
Yes.
Sir,
Next.
it's 40 and 33 and 22, sir. So we'll get as 55.
Hmm.
So if we add them, we'll get the answer as 95.
95. Right. Next, Ashwath.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 13 plus 14 plus 23.
14 plus?
13 plus 14 plus 23 is 1.
Right. 13 and 23 is how much?
13 and 23 is, I think so, 36, sir.
36 and 14?
36 and 14 is 50, sir.
50. It's a round figure, round number. Later we can add 18.
Yes, 18 plus 50
And
is 68.
see one more way here. In this we can take 10 out, 10, 10 and 20. 10, 10, 10 and 20. How much? Yes? 3 tens and 20.
50, sir, 50.
Okay. Next, units place. 3, 3 and 4. 3, 3 and 4.
10.
10. Already we have 50. We can now take it as 60 because already 10 is over. And the remaining is 8.
Yes, sir.
Total 68. In that way also we can. Then Satvika, ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
So 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25.
Okay, right. 10, 10, 20. Lastly 5. Then Aditi.
Yes, sir. So 27 and 23 is equal to 50.
27 and
23.
23 will be
50.
50.
So if we add up 50 and 15, so it will be 65. So answer is 65.
Yes, correct. Next. Yatharth.
Sir, 11
proceed.
plus 19 is equal to 30, sir. Then 43 plus 8 is equal to 51. Then 51 plus 30 is equal to 81.
30 and 51, 81. Right. Harsha.
Another?
Sorry?
Sir, can I say another method in the same question?
Yeah, explain.
Sir, 11 plus 19 is equal to 30. Then 43 is 73. Then
73.
8 is equal to 81.
Yes, that is also correct. Or you may do in this way also, as we mentioned in the H also. 40, 80, 40, 80, 100, sorry, 10 and 10 in that way also. Next, Harsha.
Harsha, sir. Sir, 32 plus 8 is 40.
32?
Plus 8, sir.
Yes, correct. Makes
Plus
40.
8 is 40. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 40 is 59, sir.
59, very good. Correct. Next,
Sir,
Jaydeep.
Jaydeep. Sir, the thing we can do is 24 plus 6 is equals to 30 and 30 plus 13 is equals to 43 and 43 plus 7 is equals to 50 and 50
No.
plus
Better 26,
Sir,
like 26, 24
sir,
and
you can
6.
split the numbers, sir. Like 20 plus 10, sorry, 20 plus 4
No
plus
need to
7.
split. Wait. 26 and 4 is 30. 7 and 13?
Sir, 20, sir.
20, that's all. 30 and 20, 50, remaining number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How much total?
Sir, 58.
Right. Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed.
So 24 plus 6 is 30 and 33 plus 17 is 50. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80.
Yes, these two will form a round number, base number, and these two form a base number. 30 and 50. Total?
80.
80. Cyrus. Got the point, Cyrus? You came today
Yes, sir.
only, that's why I asked.
Okay, 23 plus 27 is equal to 50. Plus
Okay.
48 is equal to 98.
Very good. Correct. Okay. So this is the way to solve this type of questions. Later we'll proceed. We'll move to some advanced model to this one. Advanced problems to this one. Like list of numbers are given. How to add the numbers if list of numbers are given. Like only here till now we are okay. Here also it is list of numbers, but given small numbers only, one digit, 2-digit numbers only. We are going to deal some 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers, some 4-digit numbers, right?
Sir, do you have next bit?
Don't give any names, sir. Don't give any names in the chat box. Don't give. Wait.
So can I answer first one?
Wait. Let me explain first. Okay. Later you can do those questions.
So I mean, these are homework questions.
I'll give homework also separately, not these
Okay.
questions.
No, we should do this sums in class now, sir.
These questions are in class only. Don't write anything in the chat box. Okay. See how to solve these questions. Generally we'll do 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 is 11 plus 6 is 17 by keeping 1 here 7, right? That is a conventional method, but we can in Vedic maths we'll solve this question from left to right. First we'll solve tens places, then we came to units place. First to see the tens places. What is this number?
4.
No.
40, sir. 40, sir. 40.
Yes, 40. Yes, 40. What is this number?
Sir, 20.
20, sir. 60 and 80, sir.
Okay, right. See, if you add these two, 40 and 60.
100.
This gives us 180 plus 20
20 and
also
80?
gives us 100, sir.
100. This is 100 and it is another 100.
200.
Yeah, hundreds with respect to 100 places, 200. It is okay. Next, we will come to the units place. 4 plus 6 is how much?
10.
10, sir.
Yeah, is it 4 or 40?
Sir, 40 to 100, sir. 100.
Yes. Is it 4 or 40?
4, sir.
4 only because it is in the units place.
40.
4, sir.
4, sir. It is
4
4.
only, not 40.
How we do it? Because we do class 10 plus that's 10.
Wait. What is this number?
Plus has 10. So
What is this number?
like 1 plus
5, sir.
5. This is
40.
40.
Oh, 40.
300.
2000. We have to consider in that way. Okay, 4 and 6 makes
10, sir. And
2
5 to 7, sir.
7.
So 17.
17 total. 217.
So the answer is
That's
217.
okay. That is the way. Together we'll do. Okay, because there are only 4 questions. All together we'll do.
30 plus
Sir, now we have to give our name, sir, for the answer.
No.
70 is 100,
30 and
sir.
70.
100, sir.
140.
100. Sir, 140 answer.
One thing here. Don't use any pen and paper. Just give the response to me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Keep the numbers in the mind only. Keep the numbers in the mind. Don't use the pen and paper to remember those numbers also. 30 and 70 is 100. Keep 100 in the mind. Later
140.
40, 140.
Sir, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10.
Number will be updated
Plus
at
6 is
every
equal to
stage.
16.
Wait. 100 and 40 is 140. Later, these two.
10.
10. Already we have 140.
16,
Add
sir.
this 10.
60.
150.
Plus 5
Lastly,
is 10, 16.
6. Answer.
140 plus
156, sir.
156.
156. Okay,
Sir, 156.
correct.
Sir,
40 and
can I
60?
tell for this, sir?
40 and
Sir,
60?
it will give 100, sir. And 7 and
100.
70 and
Keep
30
100 in the
also
mind.
gives us 100, sir.
Understood, sir.
It's
Okay.
200, sir.
100, sir.
100.
So 200 will come, sir.
100 plus, sir, 200.
This is the best method, I think, right? Okay. All of you can do that question, no problem. But some persons may be there who may not solve this one. Okay. This 40 and 60 makes 100. This as of now my number is 100, and I'm adding 30 and 70, another 100. So together 100 and 100. Now this is 200. Later 8 and 2, 10. Already I have 200. Now it is 10. 210, and lastly I'll add 9. 219. Okay. I'm unmuting. Okay. You are giving the answers right in the chat box. Okay. I'm unmuting. Don't speak. If I ask, then you can respond.
Sir, this is
You are proceeding again. You are proceeding. Okay. We'll start from which place? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. We'll start from
Thousands.
thousands. Okay, it is 6,000.
Yes.
Now our number is 6,000 in the mind. Next, what is this?
Sir, 300.
300. This one?
700.
700.
Which makes us
Together?
1,000.
1,000. Already we have 6,000.
6,000
Now
and
the updated
1,000.
number?
1,000, sir.
4,000.
Already we have 6,000. Now the updated number, one more 1,000. If you add the number will be
7,000. 7,000.
7,000. Okay, 7,000. 1,000 places over. Next, this what is this number?
Sir, 20.
20, and it is
80.
20 and 80.
100.
100. Already we have 7,000 in the mind. 7,000 and this 100. 7,000.
7,100.
100. Correct. Next, 40. 7,140. 7,140. Next, what is this number?
Sir, 10, sir.
7 only. 10, not 10. This is 3. Together?
Sir, 10.
10. Okay, I'm writing one
so the
second.
answer.
Yes, sir.
One second.
7,000.
First we have 1,000, 6,000 with us. In the further next stage, 1,000 is added.
1,000 is added.
Number 7,000. Later we have added 500. That will be
500.
7,500.
7,500.
And after that we came to the ones place, sorry, tens place, and these two 100. 7,500, and if we add 1,000, 7,000 and
600, sir.
600. And if we add the remaining 40, 7,600 and
Means 8,000,
40.
sir. Oh, sir. 7,000.
And if we add one more 10, it will be
7,650.
50. And lastly, 4. So our answer is 7,654.
sir.
Okay, it seems somewhat lengthy, but all these things we are doing in the mind only, mentally only. Okay, with the practice you can reduce the time. Okay, first time you are solving in this approach. That's why.
Sir, the 2 digits is very easy, sir.
Yes,
For any number, it will be easy. For any number, it will be easy. Okay.
But we need practice more, sir, to get perfect in this.
We need practice to reduce time. Okay, then we'll proceed with E. First, we'll complete hundreds. So means thousands here, because we are in the hundreds place now. We'll complete 1,000.
Sir, 500.
500, 300, and 200 will be
Sir, 500.
500, 300, and 200.
1,000, sir.
1,000. 1,000.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir, 1,000
700 and 300.
1,700. 700 plus 3 is 1,000.
Now it's 2,000, sir.
And
Just tell me what I'm asking.
and 5 is 1,000 and 2,100, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Just respond to my questions. That's all. 700 and 300. Another 1,000. 1,000 and 1,000.
2,000, sir.
2,000.
2,000,
And one more 100 remaining. 2,000 and
Yes.
2,100.
later we'll coming to the tens place. 80 and 20.
100, sir. 100.
100. 40, 40 and 20.
Sir, 160.
One more 100.
160, sir.
160.
One more 100. 80 and 20.
Yes, sir.
100.
Yes.
40, 40 and 20.
100.
100 total 200. We can add here 200. So total number.
Sir, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 80 plus 20 is 100. 80
That is what
plus
I am telling.
again 100.
I also told that one only. And then 10. Another 10.
So 210.
200 and
210, sir.
1,210. Next, complete tens. 9 and 1.
10, sir.
Okay,
10.
9, 1 and 7, 2, 1,
2
7,
and
2, 1
10.
and 6. So the answer will be 9
26.
plus 1. Yes, sir,
26.
26. Yeah.
26.
If you add 20, it will be 30. And if you add
36,
6
sir.
more, it will be
6. So the answer will be
2000.
2236, sir.
2236.
Yeah, I think all of you played treasure hunt in your school, right? Somewhere.
Yes.
No,
Treasure
sir.
hunt.
No,
Here,
sir.
what is our treasure?
Sir, it's 2, 3.
What is our treasure in these questions?
Answer.
Answer is a treasure, sir.
Not answer. We are searching for something. 10 multiples.
Sir, to make it
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes,
our
sir.
treasure is 10 multiples. We are searching for 10 multiples.
Sir,
There the 10 multiples or no,
7
sir.
plus
Then
3.
ones hundreds and thousands.
Yeah, okay, whatever it may be, 10 multiples are our treasure. We need to find out those treasure, and the remaining will be, we can add them separately. Okay.
Sir, the time is up, sir.
Okay. We'll.
Yes, sir.
find out the
Fine answer. 10 time is.
Sir, we enjoyed the class.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No,
Right.
much, sir. We have
I'll give the homework. I'll upload the homework in Google Classroom.
Sir,
Okay.
this
Okay,
class
sir.
is
Right.
we
Thank you.
enjoyed.
One second. Have you done the previous class homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I did it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, didn't got that one, sir.
Sir, should I
you
post
did
it in the
not
Google
you did
Classroom?
not give previous class, but another previous class you have gave that the sum of 50 you write all. So what will
No, not that one. In the second class, I have given some homework
Sir,
after the second class.
Sorry, sir, that one I didn't.
After second class, I have given some exercise. Okay, wait.
Sir,
I'll show that.
Sir, I also did not got, sir. You did not
Yes,
give
sir.
anything.
We didn't got it.
Sir, I asked in WhatsApp.
Wait. This is the Google Classroom. One
Sir,
second.
I did all the
One second.
homework, sir. Should I post it in the Google Classroom?
Sir, we enjoyed the
Else
class.
can you post the questions in Google
Yeah,
Classroom?
able to see this one?
Yes, sir.
See?
Punna.
Yeah, what is this? 1AB, 1C, 1D.
Sir, exercise A, B, C, D.
Read this one.
Dear students.
Singer said, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Homework is given or not?
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
did it,
Sir, but I didn't got, sir.
Yes, sir. I also did not got.
Classroom.
Sir, I
did not
think
get
this
this?
is your personal blog, so we have to log into your personal blog, sir.
Sir, the answer is
For
3.
that purpose only, I have given in the chat box. Link is
Yes,
given.
sir. You have gave today. I will check it out and I will show in the next class, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
right.
I did the
Sir, the answer to E bit of practice I is 2330.